Hello my people, welcome to Glatory. Today I'll be showing you how I made this homemade mayonnaise. This is an easy recipe that you can make on your own. You can see I'm using only these few ingredients. The oil, this is 1 cup of oil, and whole lemon with whole egg, salt to taste, and sugar. This is a simple recipe you can do on your own. Now I'm squeezing my lemon to juice. I'm using whole lemon and whole egg. I'm breaking my egg into my mixing cup. I'm pouring my lemon juice bit by bit, and I will be using my stick blender to blend them and to whisk them. You can see I'm adding my oil bit by bit. If today is your first time joining me, you're highly welcome, and for my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back. Now I added my salt to taste and the sugar. Sugar and salt is according to your taste. Yeah. And the oil and the lemon you will keep adding until it thickens up. This is very easy recipe you can make on your own. There is no preservative. This is something you can do on your own without spending your money buying from the supermarket. At least you're sure of what you're eating. You can see it turned out well. All you need is to pour into airtight jar and refrigerate it. This can last for a few weeks. Just make little quantity that you needed at a time. You can see it came out so well. Remember to try this out. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please remember to subscribe. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye.